Hey guys, I'm Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Philips Hue lights to turn on when you arrive home so that you never have to worry about walking into a dark home again. So in order to do this, at the bottom you're going to go to the second option from the left, which is routines, and you're going to select home and away. One note here, do make sure that your location aware settings are enabled on your phone, as that is what it is using to detect when you're coming home. So continue on here, you're going to select coming home, and here you're going to be able to select rooms. So you can do all lights, specific rooms or specific zones that you want to control, as well as you can select the zones to go to a particular scene or light recipe. I just have them on a default of turning on full brightness. So you can configure that however you want. Also, an option, if you have a home that is filled with a lot of natural light and you don't want to waste energy during the day, you do have the option to have it only turn on the lights after sunset. My house is relatively pretty dark. We don't have a whole lot of natural light, so I do leave that option off, but that is an option if you want to use it. And then I'll hit save here, and that's that. Now, whenever you come home, your lights will be on and ready for you. So if you found this content helpful, take a minute, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you can get notifications about future videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.